वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
When we are talking about vaccine, BJP National President JP Nadda has slammed the opposition, saying that the opposition are playing politics over vaccination process. Now, what happened to them? They themselves are taking vaccine. So, how do you reply to this?
I don't understand why Nadda is saying like this. Is he aware of the facts that because of their negligence, because of their totally, they were interested only Bengal politics, Bengal election. Even after Bengal election also, they want to divide the Bengal. So to implement that policy, they didn't allow people to take precaution before second wave. 6 months, 8 months, what they have done? Nothing. Because of them, they are responsible for this second wave. And for second wave also, they have not given vaccine to the state in a proper manner. Distribution system was totally, absolutely wrong. There are some BJP states, they gave good vaccine. The party office is distributing some vaccines in Gujarat, but the others are not. What they have given? Now also they said from 21st. Means when Prime Minister addressed the nation, the 15 days already lost. Can you imagine then who is responsible? Why opposition will play with a disease? I think BJP is a big disease for everybody. They cannot accept the public verdict. They cannot accept the people's agitation. They cannot accept the public demand. They cannot accept that second wave, so many persons died. Even you have seen in Uttar Pradesh, where you will get the number? Where is the authenticate number? The dead bodies are lying with the river, and that dead body is coming to Bengal from Bihar, UP. Don't you think they should be same?
Ma'am, what happens to the by-elections, ma'am? There are several by-elections due. Has there been any response, any information?
We are waiting to see we are waiting to see that it should be as early as possible, because now the COVID situation is totally controlled. So I think within 7 days time they can do the by-election. There is no need for giving so much time for the candidates. Even our by-election is pending, even within out of 294 also 2 by-election, that 2 election is pending in Murshidabad, and now it is about 7.